The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, good evening, everyone. 11:16 the current time. High pressure is influencing us as we speak. It's bringing us mostly clear skies outside. Our humidity was fairly dry today, going to be increasing over the next couple of days. It's also going to be bringing us some mild mornings. So tomorrow morning is going to be fairly cool, but each morning after that is going to get warmer. And then each afternoon after that is going to get warmer as well. So we are in store for some really hot days ahead. Yes, I said hot days, not warm, hot days ahead. Skycam Network as of now 54 degrees out there in Wytheville, 63 Martinsville, Roanoke at 66, and Virginia Tech at 59. Winds are fairly calm, a little bit breezy at times, about 3 to 5 miles per hour out of the west right now. So future tracker showing partly cloudy skies through midnight. Once we get to morning, about 8 a.m., we're going to be dealing with those mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies, similar to what we started off with today. And then once we get into the afternoon, we will gradually begin to clear up, and then we'll turn mostly clear once we get into the middle of the afternoon. Overnight lows: 51 Blacksburg, 53 Floyd, Alta Vista and Lynchburg at 57, Covington 53, and Danville at 58 once we wake up on our Wednesday. Tomorrow afternoon, high temperatures across the Roanoke Valley, Lynchburg, and Southside, anywhere from 83 to 85. Lexington also at 83. Over in the NRV, 78 to 82 degrees. Here's a look at what we're tracking once we head into our Wednesday. Not going to be as humid, but high pressure is going to be building in. Then on Thursday and Friday, that humidity will start to increase. And we could also see a couple of light showers late on our Friday afternoon. Here's a look at what we're looking at as well in terms of the temperature profile. The Climate Prediction Center indicates that we are going to be way above average in terms of warm temperatures. Some spots 15 to 20 degrees above where they should be for this time of year. That's not going to be us. We'll be about 10 to 15 degrees above average, but some spots are going to be well into the upper 90s, possibly even into the 100s. 95 degrees for Friday. We'll cool down a little bit for Father's Day weekend, but then Monday, 93 degrees. You notice our average there, about 82. So we are nearing record heat Friday afternoon. 95 for Danville, Roanoke, Lynchburg. The two spots that are in jeopardy of breaking record high temperatures, Roanoke and Lynchburg. Set back in 1926. Lynchburg at 94 degrees, Roanoke at 95 degrees. As we look ahead towards this weekend, 80s are likely for some in parts of the NRV and parts of the Highlands on Saturday and Sunday. A lot of us will be closer to that 90-degree point, and then that humidity will start to creep up as high pressure is basically on top of us. Now, while we're dealing with high pressure and some really warm temperatures, hot temperatures, Florida is dealing with a boatload of rain. Notice nearly 10 to 12 inches across some of these areas, spanning across the Gulf Coast side of Florida and into Miami, and even near the Cape, or the Cape, as we call it, Space Coast. Some of you are probably familiar with the Space Coast rather than the Cape. Rain this week, expecting about 6 to 8 inches still in some areas. So going to see a lot of rain come very shortly here in parts of Florida. Here's one last look at your extended forecast, though. Here locally, Flag Day is on Friday. Temperature 95 degrees, going to be a scorcher. Then on Father's Day, we cool down just a little bit, but still very warm. 89 degrees on Sunday.